Invoice number 8286. We are video inspecting the gas flue. It is a 3-inch hot water heater into what I believe is a 7x7. Approximate height will be given at the end of this video. Proceeding down with the video inspection portion now.
Counting this one?
No. Open motor joint.
I'm not in your way.
Oh.
Curious, I've never seen you.
Another open motor joint.
It's big.
Daylight is present.
What's that?
Daylight.
You see daylight? Oh,
That's what you want.
you want to see it.
Yeah, because if you don't see it, then
You got a blockage.
yeah, blocking.
Oh, okay. I thought that meant that's where water was coming.
No.
Oh, that's what.
Tile is flaking and deteriorating. Another open motor joint. A little bit of a stagger as well. The offset is present. Do have some cement protruding into the flue on the right hand corner. Another open mortar joint. You can see the bricks.
Oh,
That's a pretty large void right there.
there you go.
Pretty large void. Another open mortar joint. Stagger as well. I believe we have a total of 2 offsets present. And now approaching the base. Again, you have another open mortar joint. Some cement protruding outward. That is just some cement sitting. You're now entering the base of the flue. This is the base. We are approximately in height 25 feet tall. That concludes the video inspection for the gas flue. Defects have been observed, and I would recommend a realigning be performed for the gas hot water heater. That concludes the video inspection for today.